Hi guys, this is Klaudia. Welcome back to my channel. So this morning I opened the door and received the iPhone 12 Pro Pacificblue color with 128GB storage. Now what's cool about the iPhone 12 is that the starting storage is not 64GB anymore but 128. So you get bigger storage for the same amount of price as you would have for the 64GB iPhone 11 Pro. New colors with the iPhone 12, including the Pacificblue, which I'll be unboxing today, or you have the silver, graphite and the gold. Now from the first impressions you can see that the box is a lot thinner. I'll just compare this to my iPhone 11 Pro box, which as you can see it's half the size of what the previous box was. The reason for a thinner box is the power adapter doesn't come with the phone anymore, only a USB-C cable and also no earphones. This was also the same situation with the Apple Watch 6, so if you want to watch the unboxing of that, click the link below. Oh my god, do you guys see? The color is amazing. I think this is the best color Apple has made. This is how the box looks like inside. So you get an even more tinier information pack than you have before. The USB-C cable. And this is in comparison to the iPhone 11 Pro. Let's get rid of the label. It has flat edges like on the iPhone 4 and 5. iPhone 12 Pro has the edges made out of stainless steel, which is less likely to leave fingerprints, but the back is kept the same of the 11 Pro. It has the matte effect. And another tweak Apple has done, there is no CE mark on the bottom, which I know a lot of people were quite annoyed that we didn't get the same experience as people in the US. The CE mark is now found on the side of the phone, and also the phone can stand up by itself now. But now let's talk about the screen. So the screen is actually made of a ceramic shield, which is way tougher than any other phone. And the size of the screen actually increased a little bit from 5.8 inches to 6.1. Not sure if you'll be able to see the screen size difference, but if I align them together, you can see that the iPhone 12 is a little bit more taller than the iPhone 11 Pro. So the iPhone 12 actually looks a lot more premium than the iPhone 12. The phone feels much better to hold, it feels more sturdier. And of course this is the first iPhone to have the 5G capability. So super fast internet speed, which will be beneficial in the long run once 5G gets more developed. So the new phone also has MagSafe technology, which is basically a magnet inside the back of the phone to support wireless charging. I feel like it's a very good gadget, which I didn't realize how actually good it is, but the wireless charger just clings on to the back of your phone and you can also hold it upright. So it is quite good, especially when charging your phone and using it at the same time. Sometimes the cable can bend quite a lot and a lot of the times it can break. So this is a very good gadget because the magnet can move around so you can hold it up while charging your phone. The wireless charging can also work on other iPhones, however the magnet won't be as strong. For the more tech focused features, this phone has a 14 Bionic chip. This makes it the fastest smartphone and it's also very good if you want to keep your phone in the long run. However, this iPhone is still stuck on 60Hz display, so the screen speed remains the same. So Apple did leave out the 120Hz display rumor behind. So onto the new camera features. The iPhone 12 Pro has a telephoto lens to take some nice portrait shots, and now has a portrait mode even on your front camera. Another feature is the LiDAR, which helps with autofocus, so it detects the depth of the surroundings. There is a improved video recording, such as the new Dolby Vision, so more color accuracy in your videos. This will be really great for holiday videos, especially when you are in the nature. Overall, I feel like the phone is more focused on the camera features, which I love, and I am excited to try it out. But I feel like I still haven't experimented enough with my iPhone 11 Pro. So even more features is like, whoa, it's getting more and more advanced, which is amazing, especially for people who are up to speed with these features, like for example photographers. Let me know what you guys think of the new phone. I will also do a comparison of the iPhone 12 Pro against the iPhone 11 Pro, so make sure you stick around for that. And I will also try to get my hands on the iPhone 12 mini, as I am not quite sure which size I do want to get, and I'm really interested in how the iPhone 12 mini looks like. So this is the end of the video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!